Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Yo, that's what you want out there, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. Oh, no, it go already. When I come to represent a full effecting man. Oh, no, it go. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Nation people. Can I flip the script? Yes. I sure do. Listen to me. You don't know. Say 10-star no laugh with it. And if a boy violate him, get him head chop off with it. Hear what me I say? Nation people. Me say, a one man run Gaza. And him name is a vybz kartel. You hear that? No big bumbo hole on YouTube. You hear me? You hear me? Listen to me clear. I'm going to say it slowly. So who don't bumbo clad here? You know what I mean? Somebody can translate for now. Me say a one man run Gaza Nation. Him name vybz kartel. You hear? And on a bumbo clad bossy slave from plantation. I make me tell you something. You see, uno look at jackstrap sniffer, we are talking about, man, I try to gang up, forget out, man. Let me tell you something. You sound like a pussy boy. It sound like your girl draws clogging on your throat. You see what I'm dealing? You're jackstrap sniffer. You can't tell your he that blood clot friend when him wrong, but you can't stay there like a little pussy one side, bro. I'm trying to get out, I'm gonna get out here. Yo, the war go start and somebody have to die. Like a blood clot private jet, so them brain a fly. 10-star. Circle them ends and knock it pon them. Circle them ends and knock it pon them. We are empty the matic pon them. Them boy they can't this, we are bottom on them. Pussy violate this, me kill you. But the kill ever make gunshot drill you. Burn a fly, head a walk me like window. Boy dead body drop a gun a dance limbo. Them boy they make girl fuck them with dildo. Them no loyal, this the man them no deal you. And try freestyle real general, you a go blood clot there, that's how the thing go. Them lyrics ya rub him out. Tell him to answer and stop chat off him pussy mouth. Watch the fool a try tug it out. Him friend them boots him plug him in and plug him out. Anyway me see him get gunshot. Him this 10-star you get enough gunshot. Your fish blood a wet up the place like rain. We have some spread for scale. The war go start. That's why you have to die. Batty boy. Know what you do, yeah? You can get involved in a bumbo clad people thing and then they chat one side like you think oh yes man. You think with they have to think with them on bumbo clad earth to take orders from boy. Eh? You hear that? Separate YouTube and a bumbo clad losers, you know my brother. Just separate YouTube from losers, my brother. You have done nothing else in our life. You can brag and boast about. YouTube are the best thing where bumbo clot go on for now. And that's why you go like a blood clot. You send people go to prison for it. This little batty boy sit down on channel and I run your blood clot more about people are gang up and I try to get out. You never hear when the big bumbo will I say I call Ice Fan Bros. In batty boy, you never hear that. Eh? You never hear this big boy we claim say him come from Bumbuckler Garrison community and him a bad man and him a this. You never hear where him run for. You never hear say ISIS him a blood clot, cause girl lot blood clot. And one big girl lot, one big bitch. Pussy attack, you tell people about man walk down Brooklyn till shoes is pussy. Pussy. A 3 row of shoes me show you from the blood clot ground to the ceiling. Me have time for walk off. Remember 2 foot me having a body boy. Remember 5 shoes you go in your blood clot closet and a show man, you know. Oh yes man. Eh? You come and chat and I talk about 10 star. Should I call you if him done with a call you for? What me I call you for? Eh? Me look like me a pussy and me look like me afraid of people. What the fuck me I call you for? You know run out on the blood clot YouTube street after me hear talk on the phone and I call up my name and I disrespect. What the fuck me I call you for? Eh? Who the fuck you think you talk to? Eh? Man, who the fuck you think you talk? Don't me call me, I call you unless me know where your blood clot live. Me come in your yard, come call you out and bust your blood clot with something. You come chat boy. You're not a clown, you know, dog. You see me? You're not a clown. You see me? And the uncle can stay up on YouTube and chat. I say if I'm gonna violate, you know, say certain place, you know, blood clot, certain place, you know, have to exit, you know, my brother. And that me I make you know, in a certain place, you know, have to exit out of your life. And uncle can come on YouTube and run on a blood clot mouth. You hear me? That's the only thing you can do. Nothing else. You see what I deal with? You know a factor nowhere else. You hear that? Certain places you have to go exit that out of a blood clot life. Big bunch of batty boy. You see me? I want me to tell you, dog. I want to take this thing for dog. I one man run Gaza and a Bumbuckler vybz kartel. No big bumbo hole. You see me? No big worthless Bumbuckler boy. You see me? No all worthless cutlass can run Gaza. You see what I deal with? You better Bumbuckler know that. What the fuck you know about Bumbuckler Gaza? You just come out there and run up your blood clot mouth. You can run Gaza? Eh? You ever run nothing before? Eh? What the fuck you ever run before? More than run up on a big Bumbuckler loud mouth. And have that look of pussy that's scared. Tell him can't even talk the Bumbuckler truth. The reason why me is a man big up entertainment zone. At least him try. Him have growing man balls. You see what I deal with? Yeah, because him try. And I the only man that when I see each up over blood clot there, work forward. And when I say, me hear you. Me hear you, my G. Me that stop. Just because the way how me hear you attack and I see say you mean it. But you see them look up pussy there, East Zone. You see me? Where? You see, I itch up round him for be a factor. Them alone. You see what I deal with? I lick off them face. I tell you that. No joke thing, I want to chat to them. I don't even want in an argument with them. More than lick off them face in front of him. Because them think him a bad man, you know. And them don't know he's a big bitch that. He's a big girl lad. You see me? Him don't know nothing about blood clot badness. The only thing him know about is a trace. And only people him trace a Bumbuckler girl. Dog, the man the big and worthless, you know. His mother turn him so, you know. Remember that boy, they don't know what for boast about, you know. And I come and talk about you want to run Bumbuckler Gaza. Remember you forward pan coffee tea channel, you know, boy. And say your mother 9 months pregnant with you in her belly, you know. And a jump fence go fight man over dicks, you know. Go fight girl, you know. Jump fence with you in her belly, 9 months pregnant. She go fight other woman over your father over dicks. And she 9 months pregnant, you know. What more dicks she can take? She's supposed to ready for fucking deliver. But through that are the loudest explosion where go on in your blood clot ears before you even come through our Bumbuckler home for born. Eh? And that blood clot traumatizing, and that's why you don't have no Bumbuckler respect for no woman, and you don't have no respect for nobody. And that make you so big and blood clot worthless. Because she had jumped blood clot fence with her 9 months pregnant, she could have killed herself and kill you in her blood clot belly. What type of blood clot woman do that? And you have the heart. Some know you're big nerdy pearly in a boy. You have the heart for them blood clot social media and a chat that. And not only that, you double down. You call her and remind her about it and she say yes to the whole bumbo clot social media universe. Una no blood clot body, my brother. Though the fuck una want chat to, man? Una no blood clot body. Eh? Who the fuck is una? Una what this no blood clot? You see me? Una all bumbo clot, worthless cutlass. You see what I say? Bumbo clot in the day I chat fucker and them things. You think no boy, you think nobody with sense bumbo clot address you know and ask you know what kind of fucker that una chat about. Eh? That is something for you to talk about. Eh? If my mother do that, I think me a blood clot tell nobody. Is that an accomplishment? Eh? Eh? Or that a bumbo clot madness? You know, she say you're mad and that's why it's a blood clot mad. You see me? Cause it look like when she jump the blood clot fence, it look like her squeeze up your blood clot head. And that's why you go on like that, my brother. You see what I deal with? You don't laugh with me, you know, my brother, because I don't play with pussy, you know that. You see what I deal with? Because I can't win, you know. Anything you want to fight for, you cannot win it. No bumbo clot Gaza man no rate, you know. No real Gaza man no rate, you know. So the people, most of the people them where you hear bumbo clot call on the name and chat, them are not Gaza, them just want to be a part of something and feel like you are Gaza when you is nothing more than a big bumbo clot siski bag. You see what I say? I look at followers, I look at jockstrap sniffing followers them. You see me? We are on the same thing. You hear that, boy? Una man under the same bumbo clot in you hear that, boy? So if you want to sniff on him jockstrap because you're afraid that him don't bumbo clot get bright. You see me? You have one of them who itch up on a blood clot panel that talk about, the man all call me name. I don't know where I'm calling me name for, boy, I say nothing about you, boy. Ain't boy? Talk to me. I say nothing about you, boy. I'm a repeat what him say. What him say you a say. Eh? I'm not repeat what him a say about you. You couldn't bumbo clot talk to him and tell him say, yo, you shouldn't get my name in a mix up. You shouldn't use my name on this 10 star. But when 10 star I explain to the people them and I tell them when blood clot do, you come sit down up on panel and I talk about him and all call my name. How am I tell you? You think you're somebody, my brother? Or you think my big friend? You think my big friend from pussy dog? Eh? Do you think my big friend from pussy wall? Because you're pussy, you know, dog, straight me and tell you that, you know. Because you can't stand up and tell a boy the no truth. You see me? All when you know pussy, dog. Yeah, man. You're pussy. Me I tell you that straight. Okay? I'm gonna turn up bumbo clot YouTube. You hear that? Yeah, one more clock go like you're somebody. I'm a big friend from Una. I'm a one friend from Una. I know, no? Batty boy. Eh? You can't talk to him, but you think you can talk to 10 star, don't it? Don't it? That's because I not behave the way I'm go on. A blood clot round the sun should I live. When I can walk, come round, and I show you blood clot something. Yeah. I'll show you blood clot something. You look here, I'm going to stay up on the bumbo clot internet and chat in a pussy. No. Can't stay in front of me and walk me up on the blood clot mode. Because I'm a bunch of pussy. A bunch of hits and twits and pussy lipstick. You hear that? Uno, can't run Gaza. You hear that? Batty boy. Make sure tell you that. And Uno, I don't know blood clot Gaza. You hear that? And make sure tell you that. We don't have some people on the channel who are represent for Gaza. And that make you feel like you know, a bumbo clot Gaza leader. Eh? Or tough and tough in a Gaza bumbo clot camp. Eh? In jockstrap sniffer. You're not a real man, boy. Because you can't stand up in front, boy, and tell them the truth. You're a real man. The old batty who are like, you're not going to make decisions for your own self or your own youth. Don't come get man involved in no batty boy. Batty friendship or having a boy. And that you try to save your look a batty friendship where you have. Eh? You can't stand up and tell your bumbucklad friend the truth, but you think you can call 10 star name, don't it? You blood clot, you're a bitch. You hear that? That me I make you know. You ain't nothing more than a bumbucklad bitch. Bumbucklad, you chat up with no more. You know what I mean? Like you know bumbucklad tough. You know tough, you know look a pussy can run Gaza. And the boy they sit down up there so him look like him girl have a drawers around him blood clot head. Yeah, you can't talk truth, you come and chat, fuckery. Anyway, at the general, the 10 star one, I represent people. You don't know anytime I represent, you don't know a loud explosion when I drop necessary equipment. Look out for the next video. Watch. Nation people. Oh.